All right. Good afternoon, students. I hope you all good. And kindly check the quality of audio and video and inform to me. If everything is good, then we will start our class. Everyone check and inform to me. All right. Eshika said good afternoon, sir. And Prince said good afternoon, sir. Mehak said good afternoon, sir. Yes, good afternoon to all. Firstly inform to me how was the clarity and all. If everything is good, we will continue the class. Check and inform. Everything is well and good. Divyanshu sent message. Okay. So here whoever said, Harshita said good afternoon, sir. Riva said good afternoon. Eshika said good afternoon. And Hemendra said good afternoon. And sent, yes, Riva said good, sir. And Solanki said everything is well and good, sir. Yes. So if everything is good, then we will start our class. And first, we should understand that what we all learned in the previous classes, and then we will continue remaining parts. Okay. So meanwhile, everyone come and join. Let us close our eyes and we'll pray first. Then we will start our class. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. All right, Sundar said, good afternoon, sir. Yes, good afternoon, Sundar. Let's start now. So, in this class, we are going to discuss remaining problems of number 15.1 and then 15.2 introduction also we are going to discuss. And in the previous class, what we discussed about what is graph. So, and we recalled some information about data handling also, right? Let's check fastly. All right. So we recalled some of the data. So that is about what is pictograph, what is your what is your bar graph, and what is your pie chart. So we discussed data is represented, then that is called as pictograph. And second one we discussed what is mean by, that is yours, then bar graph. Bar graph is nothing but if you are represented the data in the form of rectangular bars, then that is called as bar graphs. And then we discussed about the pie chart or pie graph or circle graph. So the whole data you're comparing in the in of each one which is there in the circle. Last time I was about that, it's a pizza shape, and each piece of pizza is called as a pie. PIE. That is the reason the name of that circle graph we'll call it as pie chart. And then we discussed what is mean by a line graph, histogram, linear graph. I hope you all remember those all. And now I'll ask questions to you all. You have to give your answers. Okay. Right. So now question to the Prince Solanki. Prince Solanki, you need to answer now. The question is that bar graphs are represented with what? Bar graphs are what? So that means it is represented with the square bars or represented with circle bars. What is that? Kindly type your answer. Let me check. And second question is, so pie graph is represented with what? Okay, let's say firstly, who is going to say? I was asked about Prince Solanki. He said, yes, sir, yes, sir. Firstly, tell answer. Let me know. So what is bar graph is represented with what? Which bars? That is I want to know. Whether it is a square bars or some other circle bars or some other bars. Okay. Refresh it and tell to me Nanam. Remaining students, whoever getting that loading manner, kindly refresh it and then find out and it is exactly 380p above you need to watch, so that only you are going to get good clarity. So I hope whoever that is loading symbol script, that indicates that your place the internet is slow. All right, let's move on to that. Anyhow, we'll discuss once again what is the purpose of graph. Purpose of graph is to show numerical facts in visual form so that we can understand quickly, easily, and clearly. Okay, so what is here the purpose of graph? To show numerical facts in visual so that we can understand by observing the diagram quickly, easily, and clearly. And types of graphs: bar graph is what? It is used to show comparison among the categories. So comparison among the categories, if you are given, then that is called as bar graph you are used. And a pie the parts of whole. And pie graph, another name is circle graph. After that, what is histogram? Histogram is a bar graph that shows data in intervals. Histogram is a bar graph that shows data in intervals. Intervals means like 2000 to 2001, what is there? 2001 to 2002, what is yesterday? I was given one example. Strength of 8th standard, and then in the academic years 2000 to 2001, how many students? 2001 to 2000 created one graph yesterday. So in that place, we use the histogram. That means the bar graph that shows the data in intervals. Okay. That means here bars are rectangular bars are connected to each other. All right. So next, a line graph. Line graph is what? Like this, whichever the data is there, is called as line graph. You are observing graph. So displays data that changes continuously over period of time. Let's see here. Here period of time is nothing but Monday to Sunday. So how the temperature changes is there. So in the Monday, how much temperature? Tuesday, how much temperature? Wednesday, what is the temperature? Thursday temperature, Friday temperature. Like that here, the fluctuations. One time it is increasing, one time decreasing, one time same, constantly is there, then it is increasing. Like that, if you are representing the data in the form of graph with the line, then that is called as line graph. Then what is linear graph? If you form a line by joining the points. Example, here I will draw, check carefully. Here some points you got. And when you join these all points, you are forming a line. Like that, if you form a line, in other words, we can say that unbroken line comes, then we will say that as a linear graph. Okay, like this unbroken lines, if you get, then that is called as a discussed yesterday. And today we are going to discuss sixth question. I think sixth, right? No, fourth question onwards we have to discuss. Yesterday we discussed three questions. Now today fourth question onwards we are going to discuss. Fourth question is this. Let me read your fourth question. Your fourth question graph is this, okay? And dotted indicates that forecast, and this line, which is contrast, means meaning of that it is, we are assuming that it is going to be that many degrees on that day. That many degrees Celsius on that day temperature. And similarly, actual temperature is what? The following graph shows day for a week. So for a week, how many days are there? So you already know that for a week there are 7 days. So here I was written Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So now here, Monday, what is the forecast and what is the actual temperature? Forecast means estimated one. So Monday, estimated in the or reporter were estimated that 15 degrees Celsius. But actual temperature is how much it is? So anyhow, here middle points you have to write first. Let this middle points, then we will continue. So now here, it is always whenever here starting point will be 0, 0 and 5 middle anything is there, that is 2.5. Now 5, 7.5, and 2.5 add for the 10, 12.5. That simply we can say that middle number of 10 and 15, right? So now this is 15 and 20 means 17.5. 20 and 25, 22.5, and 25 and 30, 27.5 degrees Celsius. 30 and 35, it is 32.5 degrees Celsius. Remember, middle lines, whatever is there, that is written. So middle lines, it is 0 to 5 means 2.5 is the middle one. So 5 and 10 means 7.5 is middle. So now 10 and 15, 12.5, 15 and 20, 17.5, and so on. So here x-axis or whichever the horizontal line indicates the days. Indicates what? Days. And vertical line indicates temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, now let's see here. Monday, it is forecasted, so like this the dotted lines is called as forecast, and straight line manner whatever is there, that is actual temperature. So now observe Monday, what is the forecast temperature? So Monday forecast temperature 15 degrees Celsius, and actual temperature it is 17.5 degree Celsius. And in the Tuesday, both are correct, means exactly they were estimated. So in the Tuesday, exactly they were estimated. That time forecast and actual temperature both are same. So observe, in the Tuesday estimated as 20 degrees Celsius, and actually also 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Similarly, Wednesday when you check 25 degrees Celsius, and then Wednesday you observe here it is actual temperature is that 30 degrees Celsius. So estimated as 25 degrees Celsius, that is called as forecast. Similar, right? So everyone was writing good. So Suresh said now, good afternoon, sir. Yes, Namrata and Naman said yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, 17.5 written. Okay. So, all right. If it is yes, let's move on to the next now. Now we'll read the questions. Days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? Same as the actual temperature means what is meaning of that? Forecast temperature and actual temperature should be the same. Then we can say that estimated one and what is actually is there, that both are same. Let's check now. Tuesday you found that both are same, and another any other day it is both are same. Yes, here Friday you found that both are same. At the same manner you found here Sunday it is both are same. So now 3 days they were estimated correctly. What those days? That means forecast and actual same. What are those days? Tuesday both are 20 degrees Celsius, and then next one Friday both are it is 15 degrees Celsius, and then next Sunday both are it is 35 degrees Celsius. So now which Tuesday, comma, Friday and Sunday, temperature is actual temperature and forecast temperature is same. Actual and forecast temperature is same in these days: Tuesday, Friday, and and Sunday. Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, these are equal. Let's see once again. Tuesday, here you observe that both are joined. That means both temperatures are same, that is 20 degrees Celsius. And similarly, Friday check, Friday this is. So here you found that this dotted lines one, it is forecast one, and then this straight line one is actual one. Both are same. What is that? 15 degrees Celsius. Similarly, Sunday it is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I hope you all understood that. If you are understood, keep that thumb symbol, so that let's move on to the next. Okay, here already said Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. Prince Solanki written and kept thumb symbol. Yes. Harshita also written Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. Yes, you all correct. All right. I hope you all understood that. Let's move on to the B. B question. So A question I was finished. Now let's move on to the B question. Question number B. So question B, what is the given here? What was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? So that means what was the maximum forecast temperature? Maximum forecast means maximum temperature in the dotted lines. Let's check here maximum where you are finding. You are finding maximum temperature of this dotted lines at the same manner straight lines. Forecast is same, that is highest is 35 degrees Celsius at which day? Sunday, actual and forecast both are same. At the same manner, maximum forecast temperature in the week is 35 degrees Celsius. So now answer for this is 35 degrees Celsius. Once again listen question. B is, they asked that what was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? Maximum temperature, this dotted lines one which is maximum, you found here is the maximum place. You just go to that, towards that line and check here 35 degrees Celsius you got. So right answer as 35 degrees Celsius. Next one, C question, what is asked? What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? Minimum actual temperature during the week. Let's check. So here it is 117.5, and any other place? Yes, here checked. Here it is 15 degrees Celsius. Here also 15 degrees Celsius. You found here actual minimum temperature is how much? 15 degrees Celsius. So now minimum actual temperature is equal to 15 degrees Celsius. So whoever written 15 degrees Celsius, give clap to them. So I found here first who is written, yes, Ekta written first 15 degrees Celsius, and then Prince written 15 degrees Celsius, Mehak written 15 degrees Celsius, and Divyanshu written 15 degrees Celsius, and who is Riva written, and next who is next? Namrata written. So right, very good. Give clap to them. Let's move on to the next question. Right. So let's move on to the next. That is D question. Question number D. So it is a D, it is given in the fourth question, D option. On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? Most means that is highest. Let's check now which day it is more difference is there between forecast and actual. Let's see here, Monday it is only 2.5 degrees Celsius, and let's check in the Tuesday there is no difference. Wednesday here it is how much a difference? 25, and here 30, so 5 degrees Celsius. And then next day Thursday, let's check here, it is 15 degrees, and here it is 22.5. 15 minus 22.5 minus 15 means you get a 7.5 degrees Celsius. So here it is 7.5 degrees Celsius. You are observing just these 2 points a difference check. Here 2.5 degrees Celsius got, and this point 0 degrees Celsius, and in this point 5 degrees Celsius, and in the Tuesday it is 7.5 degrees Celsius, and in the Friday 0 degrees Celsius. In the Saturday, let's check. Saturday here is 25, and this one is 30. So again 5 degrees Celsius. And next one it is Sunday. Sunday it is 0 degrees Celsius. Now check in which place more difference is there. So here 2.5 degrees is different, 5 degrees Celsius is different, 7.5 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius. So now tell to me where the most difference you got here. Our highest difference is there in this. Highest difference. So in which day? Monday na, Tuesday na, Wednesday na, Thursday na, Friday na, Saturday na, Sunday na. So again I am explaining here. Monday 2.5 degrees Celsius is different. And Tuesday, actual and forecast difference is 0 degrees Celsius. Wednesday, it is 5 degrees Celsius. Thursday, it is 7.5 degrees Celsius. Friday, it is 0 degrees Celsius. Saturday, it is 5 degrees Celsius. And then Sunday, it is 0 degrees Celsius. Which day most difference is there? So who was written? Okay, Thursday written. Very good. You all correct. Yes, it is Thursday. So now D option, question number D, answer is Thursday. So that is about your fourth question. Let's move on to the fifth one. Fifth one, use the tables below to draw the linear graphs. They said it is not linear, you write as a line graphs, and then we'll finish it off. So that is about fourth question. If you are understood, keep the thumbs. So let's move on to the next. So next one, fifth question we are going to discuss now. So that is we need to draw graphs. Let us draw the graphs now. So here use the tables below to draw linear graphs. Option A here given, fifth one A. The number of days a hillside city received snow in different years. So number of days a hillside city received snow in different years. So here they given year and days. Year is 2003. So snow received in that 8 days snow is received in 2003. And 2004 it is 10 days. 2005 it is 5 days. 2006 it is 12 days. So let us draw for this one graph. You have to use your graph paper, but if you are not having graph book, kindly buy that and then later complete it. Okay. So now I was drawing here, you just observe which I was drawing here, not up to the scale. It is your understanding purpose drawing here. Let's draw here. This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. And here 0. So now here whichever this side in x-axis I'll write the years 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. So here 2003 and next one it is 2004, next one it is 2005, next one it is 2006. Okay, after that here days are 8, 10, 5, 12 is there. So what I'll do, each one day only I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you just observe now, these all the points. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 written. So here scale is for each box 1 I took. And here each box I was writing as 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Now check here. 2003, how much they said? 8. So let use your scale and check where is 8. For your understanding purpose, I was drawing the dots. So here 8, you observe now 2003, 8. So keep a point or a dot. It is 2003 and here it is 8. 8 is here and here it is 2003. So on 2003, 8 days snowfall is happened. So now it is 2003, 8. Next one, 2004, 10 days. 2004, keep your scale and where is a 10 check. So I'm drawing to your dotted line. So where these two lines will intersect, that point is your 2004 and 10. So on 2004, 10. So there you have to keep the dot. So after that 2005, you just observe now 2005. In this 5 days snowfall is there. So 5 days. So intersection was here on 2005, 5 days. In this way you have to draw the graph. So now first keep the points, then join the points. Now 2006, 12. 2006 and then here 6. So you are finding this as, sorry, 2006 is a 12. So 2006, 12. So now 2006 line, this is vertical line, 12 place that is horizontal line, both are intersecting here, that is your point. So now join those all, you get your answer. So first these two join, next these two, you completed your line graph. So once again understand how to draw this. So in the x-axis I took years. So this is what? Years. And this is what? Snowfall in the days. So we can say that it is a days. So it is year, days. In 2003, 8 days snowfall is there. In 2004, 10 days snowfall is there. In 2005, 5 days snowfall is there. And in 2006, it is 12 days snowfall is there. So, okay. So just join like this, completed your graph. Okay. So you need to write a scale here. So I'm writing in this way only, right? Scale, x-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 year, or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. Y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 day. Okay, in this y-axis 1 centimeter 1 day, in this x-axis 1 centimeter 1 year. You all understood this third A? If you are understood, inform to me. Prince Solanki, inform to me if you are understood this. So here year given, days given, and snowfall in 2003, 8 days, snowfall in 2004, 10 days, and snowfall in 2005, it is 5 days, snowfall in 2006, 12 days. So that we are represented as a graph. So everyone understood this is which graph? Line graph. Okay. Okay, sir. If you are understood, let's move on to the next one so that next one, when we are solving, you can understand clearly how to solve this. Population in thousands of men and women in a village in different years. Okay, next one, again, nice question. So let me rub this part and we'll go for next. So previously what you done, graph is given, you are reading the graph and writing your answers. Now what you are doing, they are given one table, by using the table you have to draw the graph, okay. Let's move on to the second one, 5B here. Population in thousands of men and women in a village in different years. So year is given, that is 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. And in this number of men, number of women, number of women. So in 2003, 12,000 men and 11.3 thousand women. And similarly here 12.5, 11.9, 13, 13, 13.2, 13.6, 13.5, 12.8. Okay, so now this I want to represent. This is one table they were given, and this table I want to represent as a graph. Last time I was explained that forecast and then actual temperature one. Similarly, you have to draw the graph. So now let's say now dotted lines I will. Now let me draw the graph, then you can understand. So your graph paper, I have to draw now. See, this was very difficult. Okay, let's see now. For me, drawing is difficult, but if you have graph paper, it becomes very easy. Let's see here, starting with which number? 11.3. Okay, and the one it is, last one it is 13.6. Okay, let's see. Here it is starting with 12. 12 not 11, 11 I was starting, 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.4, 11.5, 11.6, 11.7, 11.8, 11.9, 12, 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.5, 12.6, 12.7, 12.8, 12.9, 13, 13.1, 13.2, I think. Okay, still I have to draw it down. Okay, so still I need space more. Okay, so from here, starting from here now, 11, 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.4, 11.5, 11.6, 11.7, 11.8, 11.9, 12, 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.5, 12.6, 12.7, 12.8, 12.9, 13, 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.4, 13.5, 13.6, 13.7. Okay, up to here I am going to write. So after that, let me do one more line. Right. So here it is 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. So let me write here 2003 here and 2004, 2005, 2006. Okay, and let me draw like previous manner, table manner, so that actually that line means, so it is 2003 12. So 2003, where is our 12? Anyhow I need to draw the lines. So 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, your graph will be like this lines manner only. So these all lines are there in your graph paper. So for this problem, I'm drawing the graph paper method. So once you can check. So 11.7, 11.8, 11.9 and 12, 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.5. And remember here, everywhere equal distance will be in your graph paper, but here it is just not to the scale. Because of that reason, the gaps cannot be the same. Remember this. This is manually drawing the graph paper. So 12.7, 12.8, 12.9, 13, 13.1, 13.2, then 13.3, 13.4, 13.5. You also draw in your notebook like this right now manually, without graph paper. Right now only, but in your if you are writing in your notebook, if just use your graph paper. So now 2003 lines I need to draw. 2003. Okay, this is your 2004, and then your 5, and then your 6, and normal graph, right? Anyhow, I was drawing your graph paper. Okay, done. Now let's see here how to draw remaining part. 2003, men are 12. So in 2003, men are how much? 12. 12 means this point. 2003, 12. Observe here, 2003, 12. Next, 2004, 12.5. 2004, 12.5. 2004, 12.5. 12.5 is here. Check now, 2004, 12.5. Next, 13 in 2005. Let's see here, 13, 2005. 2005 is 13. Check 2005, 13. So next one, 2006, 13.2. 2006, 13.2. This is in thousands, okay? 2006, 13.2. Even 2007 also is there. Let me draw this part here. This is your 2007. 2007, 13.5. So 13.5, let's check here. 13.5 in 2007. So 13.5. 13.5 in 2007. Completed now. I said men means dotted lines, I said. just draw the dotted lines while joining these points. So here dotted lines like that, another dotted line here, joining. Use only scale while joining these points or drawing these dotted lines. Find it? So now like this you have to draw the graph. So men completed, number of men, and what is here this men is, so number of men, so here 11, 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, these all what? Population in thousand. So right here population in thousands, thousands. Okay, and this part is years, years. Now first one done. Now let's draw for women. So you all also draw in your notebook. Later you can send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, right, let me draw remaining part also. So that is first number of women 11.3. Let's check in 2003 11.3. This is in 2004 11.9, 11.9 in 2004. Next 13 in 2005,